Imagine a moment where you stand still and a butterfly lands gently on your shoulder. Its delicate wings shimmer in the sunlight, each movement telling a story of transformation. Butterflies have long been a symbol of renewal and change, guiding us through life's most challenging and beautiful moments. But what if this graceful creature holds the power to help you embrace your own transformation? Stay with us, and by the end of this video, you'll see how the butterfly's symbolism can inspire and empower you to rewrite your story. Since ancient times, butterflies have captured human imagination. In countless cultures and traditions, they are seen as messengers of hope and agents of change. Their journey from a simple caterpillar to a magnificent butterfly mirrors our own ability to grow, adapt, and emerge stronger from life's trials. Let's delve into the deeper meaning of this incredible symbol. The butterfly's life cycle is a perfect metaphor for personal transformation. It starts as a tiny egg, almost invisible to the naked eye. From there, it hatches into a caterpillar, whose sole purpose is to grow and prepare for the next phase. Similarly, in our lives, there are stages where we must focus on building strength and gathering wisdom. After its time as a caterpillar, the butterfly enters the chrysalis stage, a period of stillness and profound change. Hidden from view, it undergoes a complete transformation. This is a reminder that even when life feels stagnant or uncertain, powerful growth can happen beneath the surface. For example, consider moments when you face difficulties. Perhaps it was a career setback or the end of a relationship. These chrysalis moments may feel isolating, but they are opportunities to reinvent yourself. Emerging from the chrysalis, the butterfly unfolds its wings, fragile at first but growing stronger with each beat. It takes flight, embodying freedom, beauty, and resilience. This final stage is a testament to our potential to rise above challenges and embrace new beginnings. Think about the times in your life when you've achieved something you never thought possible. Each of those moments reflects the butterfly's journey. Different cultures have their own interpretations of butterfly symbolism. In Japan, the butterfly represents the soul and the duality of life and death. It's a reminder to cherish every moment and find beauty even in impermanence. In Native American traditions, butterflies are seen as bringers of joy and change, often appearing during ceremonies to signify transformation and new opportunities. In Greek mythology, the word psyche means both soul and butterfly. This connection suggests that butterflies are spiritual guides, encouraging us to listen to our inner selves. Picture a moment in your life when you felt a deep sense of purpose or clarity. It's as though your soul, your inner butterfly, was guiding you toward the right path. Butterflies also carry messages in their colors. A vibrant yellow butterfly symbolizes hope and positivity, while a black butterfly might represent letting go of the past. A blue butterfly inspires creativity and new ideas, while a white butterfly signifies peace and spiritual growth. Next time you see a butterfly, take a moment to notice its colors and reflect on what they might mean for you. Beyond their symbolic meanings, butterflies also have a fascinating relationship with nature. They pollinate flowers, helping ecosystems thrive. This interconnectedness reminds us that even small actions can create a ripple effect of positive change. Like butterflies, we too can make a difference in the world by spreading kindness and compassion. Consider this example. Sarah, a teacher, felt stuck in her career and unsure of her purpose. One day during a walk, she noticed a butterfly struggling to take flight. Watching it persevere, she realized she had the power to transform her own life. Inspired by the butterfly, Sarah took steps to pursue her passion for art, eventually becoming a successful painter. The butterfly's journey mirrored her own, giving her the courage to change. In many spiritual practices, butterflies are seen as symbols of divine guidance. Meditation and mindfulness often incorporate imagery of butterflies to encourage a sense of calm and focus. Imagine sitting quietly in a garden, watching butterflies dance among flowers. Their graceful movements remind us to stay present and trust the process of life. Butterflies also teach us about resilience. Their fragile wings endure strong winds and harsh weather, yet they continue to soar. This resilience can inspire us to face our own challenges with grace and determination. Think of a time when you faced adversity and emerged stronger. Like the butterfly, you carried on, proving your inner strength. Let's take a closer look at how you can incorporate butterfly symbolism into your daily life. Start with simple rituals. Place a butterfly ornament or painting in your home as a reminder of growth and change. Spend time in nature, observing butterflies and reflecting on their journey. Journaling about your personal transformations can also deepen your connection to this powerful symbol. Visualization exercises are another way to harness the butterfly's energy. Close your eyes and picture yourself as a butterfly, shedding old habits and embracing new opportunities. Imagine the freedom of spreading your wings and soaring toward your dreams. This practice can help you feel more confident and motivated to pursue your goals. Across the world, people have shared stories of how butterflies have touched their lives. One woman found solace after her mother's passing when a butterfly landed on her hand, as if to say, "I'm still with you." Another person saw a butterfly during a pivotal moment, inspiring them to take a leap of faith. These encounters remind us that the butterfly's message is universal. Even science supports the butterfly's transformative power. Studies show that observing nature, including butterflies, can reduce stress and enhance well-being. Their presence can remind us to slow down and appreciate life's beauty. The next time you feel overwhelmed, try stepping outside and watching a butterfly. Its gentle flight may bring you a sense of peace. As we near the end of this journey, think about what the butterfly means to you. Is it a symbol of hope, a reminder to stay resilient, or an inspiration to embrace change? Whatever it represents, know that the butterfly's message is always within you, ready to guide you toward a brighter future. To fully embrace the butterfly's wisdom, create your own transformation story. What is holding you back? What changes do you want to make? Imagine yourself as a caterpillar, gathering strength, then as a chrysalis, preparing for change, and finally as a butterfly ready to take flight. Your journey is unique, but the possibilities are endless. Before we go, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you ever had an encounter with a butterfly that left a lasting impression? Share your experiences in the comments below. Let's create a space where we can inspire and support one another on our journeys. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories and insights. By joining our community, you'll stay connected to a wealth of wisdom and positivity. Thank you for watching, and may the butterfly's message of transformation and renewal guide you to a life full of joy and purpose.